tired of old posts on your Facebook timeline that you don't want to delete, but you also don't want everyone to see? This video shows you exactly how to hide a Facebook post step by step, giving you full control over your profile's privacy. I'm Anna from For Real, and let's get this sorted. If you've ever felt that slight panic when a potential employer, new friend, or family member is scrolling through your profile, you're in the right place. Maybe it's an old photo, a past opinion, or just something you want to keep for yourself. Deleting it feels too permanent, but leaving it public feels too exposed. It's a common problem, but thankfully, there's a simple solution. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to hide any post on your timeline using the Facebook app on your iPhone or iPad. We'll also cover what each of the Facebook privacy settings means. And I'll even show you a pro tip on how to find those hidden posts later if you ever change your mind. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. All right, the first step is simple. Open up your Facebook app and navigate to the post you want to hide. You can find this by scrolling through your own timeline. Or if it's a recent post, it might be right there in your main feed. For this example, I'm going to use this photo I posted a while back. Now that you've found your post, look to the top right corner of that specific post box. You'll see 3 horizontal dots. This is the Options menu. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This will bring up a menu from the bottom of your screen with a bunch of different actions you can take. In this menu, you'll see options like Save Post, Delete, and others. The one we're looking for is Edit Privacy. It usually has a small padlock icon next to it. Tapping this will take you to a new screen where you can control who sees my post. This is the control center for your post's visibility. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a huge favor and tap the like button below. It really helps the For Real channel reach and help more people just like you. Thanks a bunch. Okay, let's look at these privacy options. On this screen, you'll see who can currently see your post. It might be public, friends, or a custom list. To hide it from everyone, you need to select the option that says Only Me. This ensures that the post remains on Facebook, tied to your account, but you are literally the only person who can see it. It won't show up on your timeline for anyone else, and it won't appear in their feeds. Once you've selected Only Me, don't forget the final step. Tap the Done button in the top right corner of the screen to save your new privacy setting. You'll be taken back to your post, and you should now see a small padlock icon where the audience icon, like the globe or friend's silhouette, used to be. That's your confirmation that the post is now hidden. Okay, but what if you want to find that post again or make it public? Here's a pro tip. Go to your profile, tap the 3 dots under your profile picture, and select Activity Log. From there, you can filter your posts to find the ones you've hidden. It's a fantastic way to manage your old content without having to scroll for ages. You can just reverse the steps we just took to make the post visible again. And there you have it. In just a few simple taps, you now know exactly how to hide any Facebook post, giving you complete peace of mind. No more worrying about who sees what you are in full control of your digital footprint. You can now clean up your profile without losing your precious memories. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple tech tips for everyday apps, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments what other Facebook feature is confusing you. Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next one.